I personally think most software doesn't fail because of bad code. It fails because we misunderstand people. This is just my personal take based on what I've seen and experienced. But today I want to talk about something I think every product, startup, and dev team should at least try: experience maps. And yeah, this is just my opinion. If I disagree, I actually want to hear it. Leave a comment. When I say experience map, I don't mean some fancy UX artifact. To me, an experience map is just a way to force myself to think about what a user is actually going through over time. Not just screens, features, APIs, but what they're thinking, what they're feeling, where they're confused, where they're stressed, where they're relieved. Basically, what it feels like to use your product as a human. A lot of devs think this stuff is design or product work. I used to think that too. But the more I build software, the more I realize every line of code is based on an assumption about user behavior. We assume users understand the flow, users read instructions, users are patient, users think like us. Most of the time, they don't grinning face with wet. For me, experience maps are a way to challenge my own assumptions before writing code. Again, this is just how I see it. A user journey map usually focuses on interactions inside your product. An experience map, in my opinion, is bigger. It includes what happens before they open your app, what problems they already have, what emotions they bring with them, and what happens after they stop using it. That outside context is where I think most product teams miss things. If I make a simple experience map, I usually focus on 5 things: stages, actions, thoughts, emotions, opportunities. Most of my feature ideas come from this last part, not from brainstorming randomly. From what I've seen, startups usually fail because they solve the wrong problem or they solve the right problem at the wrong time. Experience maps help me zoom in on the moment when users are most frustrated or vulnerable. Instead of building everything, you build something that helps at that exact moment. That focus matters a lot, especially early on. I don't use fancy tools. Most of the time, I just pick one user type, write down their experience in Notion or on a whiteboard. Before I build a feature, I ask myself, which stage is this for? What emotion does this reduce or improve? What confusion does this remove? If I can't answer those, I usually pause and rethink the feature. That alone has saved me from building a lot of useless stuff. This is just my opinion, but I really believe users don't care how clean your architecture is if the experience makes them feel stupid or stressed. Experience maps, to me, are not about design. They're about respecting how humans actually behave. That's my take. I'm curious, what do you guys think about experience maps? Do you use them, ignore them, or think they're overrated? Leave a comment. I genuinely love to read your thoughts. This is DevNote. See you in the next one.